Well, hi there, ho there. Welcome to another episode of my Junk Ass Barbecue. Today we're gonna do some burgers, beef, Angus, not sure, and then some beef loin T-bone steak. Should be good. We're gonna show you how to cook them up, real nice. Oh, as it ventures into any other important undertaking. Got to start out some adult beverage. Get the mood set. Whoa. Back with you here, friends. It's a beautiful day. Southern Funk, Ohio. Sun is out. The old sandals on. I got this fantastic new lighter. It is not so junk ass. Check it out. Oh! Look at it! It works like a champ. Well, the old elongated lighter. I don't know where I stumbled upon this thing at, but I found it. And helps me not to remove the grates, and I can just get right down in there. Wire up. Oh! There she goes. We're rocking. And we're rolling. Gonna get all three of them lit up, let her heat up, and we're gonna, scrub them off. Alright, she's been screaming right along here on high. Gonna get her all scrubbed up. Ready to throw the steaks and the old burgers on here. Oh yeah. A good old rub down. You don't want to get too crazy. Try to leave some of that, savor the flavor on there. Go ahead and turn the heat down to low. We're going to cook on low tonight. Oh, baby. Obviously, for my seasons of choice, we're going to go with the standard on the burgers. Lowry seasoning salt on the steak. Lowry's garlic salt. And then I got a garlic salt paprika, cracked pepper on the potatoes and onions. Going to wrap them up and let them cook. Got another little pro tip for you guys here. You want to take the flavor of your steaks up to the next level. Get yourself some of this old straight up butter. Cut off some slices while the steak's cooking. And just as it slowly cooks over low, that butter will melt down into the meat. Just amp up the flavor. Take it to the next level. I just gave the burgers a first flip, and so did the steaks. The steaks are coming along nicely. Applied another coat of butter to the other side of the steak. We're going to try to cook them off. A little flamage going on here because of the butter, but we'll try to control that by keeping the lid shut. Back here with you, friends. I just took the burgers off. Kind of moved the steaks over their own individual burger. We're going to let them go a little bit longer because it looks like we could use a little more time. The onions, potato mix, seasonings is all cooking as well, so we're going to shut the lid and let them keep cooking. See where we end up. The steaks are coming along there nicely. Still get some red juice flowing out. That means they're still medium-ish. And we're going to give them one final flip and let them finish cooking. Oh, guess I'm recording. So I think these guys are ready to come off. I'm going to grab the old deal here. Get them on the plate. Take them inside. I don't know how this is coming along, but hopefully it's done enough to where we can partake. Looks like a winner to me. So that's going to go on top. We're going to go in and enjoy. I'm going to put a couple pictures of the steak up. Well, should be good. So, Jared Sigler here, once again. Thanks for joining me on another episode of my Junk Ass Barbecue. There it is. Gas grill. Junk ass. I'm going to get this food inside. South of Funk, Ohio. Beautiful, sunny Funk, Ohio. Corn. Propane tanks. Down here we got it. Mosquitoes, you want some? You want them? You got them. So, look out for more episodes coming this weekend. gonna go to the old Heffelfinger Meats over here. Just about a 10-minute drive from the house. I think I'm gonna pick up a nice huge ass ham. And we're gonna throw that in the old junk ass smoker. Maybe a shoulder. What the hell? Who knows? Gonna get that. I might try an injection. Try that out. So, thanks for watching. Give me a like and share on YouTube. Give me a like and follow on Facebook, all that shit. So, I'm gonna go over there, finish my scotch, head inside and put some of this meat in my mouth. It's gonna be delicious. Peace out.